In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a repeating background image to your Shopify 2.0 store. This process involves accessing your theme's code, uploading your chosen image, and making some modifications to your theme's CSS file to ensure the image appears and repeats just the way you want it. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to select an image that's small and seamless for the best effect. Your background should enhance the overall aesthetics of your store, so keeping the look and feel of your brand in mind is key. Once you've picked the perfect image, it's time to upload it to Shopify. Head over to your Shopify admin, click on Settings, and then Files. Here, you'll want to upload your image and make sure to copy the URL. We'll need it later. With your image ready and uploaded, we're going to access your theme's code next. In your Shopify admin, navigate over to Online Store, select Themes, and click on Actions, followed by Edit Code. This will open up the theme editor, where we can start making the necessary changes. Find your theme's main CSS file, which might be named something like base.css or theme.css.liquid, among similar options. Open up this file, as it's where we'll be adding our CSS code. We're now at the fun part, adding the CSS code itself. Just paste the following code into your CSS file. Don't forget to replace the placeholder URL with your actual image URL. CSS body, background image, URL, your image URL. Background repeat, background size, auto. This piece of code is where the magic happens. The background repeat property determines how your image repeats across your site. By default, repeat means it will repeat both horizontally and vertically, but you can adjust it to repeat X for horizontal repeats or repeat Y for vertical ones, depending on your preference. The background size property controls the size of the image, where auto retains the original size. You might also experiment with cover or contain if the image scaling needs to be adjusted. After updating the CSS, make sure you click Save, and with that, your changes will be applied to the theme. It's crucial to note that the name of your theme's CSS file can sometimes differ, so do check the theme documentation if you're unsure. As for where to place the code, adding it at the end of the file is usually safe, but if the theme's structure suggests a different spot, feel free to use your best judgment. Before wrapping up, always test your changes on a live or development store to ensure everything displays as you wish. It's also wise to think about how your image will look on different devices and adjust the background size property if necessary to maintain aesthetics and functionality across all screen sizes. Remember, while there might be different variations of the CSS code, the essential principles remain the same: specifying the image and setting the repeat behavior.